Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me the new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 mobile phone, and in this video I will show you a feature of split view camera for this mobile phone. So for example, I turn on the camera, okay, and when I flip the phone, okay, so for example I flip it like that, then you will see on the top side of the flip you will see the camera portion, and on the downside you will see all the controls, okay. So this is really amazing for taking the pictures or making the videos. And so this is a really amazing feature. So basically it is like a flex mode pane. You can also do this for the other apps, so you can see for the front as well and for the back camera as well. So you can see over here on the first side of the flip, the half part of the flip, the camera is showing, and on the downside the controllers are showing. But you can do this for the other apps as well. Just you have to go into the settings, okay, just enter into the settings, and once you enter into the settings, just scroll down, okay, and you will see an option of advanced features, okay. So just select this advanced features option, and here you will see an option of labs, okay. So you can see over here in the middle it says labs, okay. So this is the labs option, okay. So just select this labs option, okay. So I will select it, and once you enter into the labs, the last option over here it says flex mode panel, okay. So flex mode panel, it will show you all the description about what is this flex mode panel is. So when your phone is folded upright, okay, the app that you are using, it will go on the top, okay, and on the downside all the controls, or you can also open the other apps. So for example, if you want to use this for the other apps, okay, you can just enable those apps. So all the apps are showing over here, for example calculator, the contacts, the camera, everything, all the apps are available over here. You can just simply enable them to use in the flex mode panel, okay. And so when you fold your phone, when you flip your phone, so you can simply use this function, okay. Simply just, for example, here I turn on the camera, and when I fold the phone, so you can see on the top part of the panel, so it is showing you the camera for making the video and pictures, and on the downside it will show you all the controls, and then you can simply use this feature for making good videos, for making the selfies, for taking the pictures. So this is really amazing feature in Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 mobile phone. I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy the video. Please do subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you very much.